Need a truck that's as adventurous as you are? This Chevy 2500 Weekender has got you covered. My name's Dean, I'm the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We're the most awarded American truck company in Australia. We've got over 500 builds under our belt, and if you want to get into the best of the best, just like this one here, let's take a quick look around. The slate grey with the satin film. The Chevy 3-inch suspension kit comes with the Fox 2.5 remote reservoir elite shocks. These have got adjusters both high speed and low speed, which means that you can hit these off-road tracks, whether it's low speed whoops or it's high speed work down the beach. You can play around with the suspension settings, get it dialed in perfectly. On top of a good suspension kit, you need good wheels and tires. This one here, Method 305 NV HDs. These are the 18x9 POS 18 fitment. This is a non-flared fitment. You can see we haven't had to run additional flares. And we've got the Yokohama 35 12.5 18 Geo 16. These all-terrain Yokohamas are proving to be one of the best tyres on the market today for vehicles like this Chev 2500. Front end of this one, we've got the Offroad Creative 2024 Chevy 2500 front bar. This is the textured black finish. We've got the 3 spotlight tabs. We've got the laser lamp Sentinel Elite 9s. So these LED lights, they look amazing, they perform amazing. You're gonna get good distance down the road with these big spots up on top. You've also got the Stedi 30-inch light bar inside the bar, the 2 C4 Stedi cube lights in there, and this one's got the Carbon Scout wireless winch as well. So you've got the both wireless remote control. If you do need to plug in your winch, if you've forgotten that remote control, you've misplaced it, our team puts the plug-in winch controller up inside the engine bay. You've got your basic isolator switch to turn the winch on and off. That's going to allow you to get out of any sticky situation. From the streets to the outback, we all know you need to look good while in town. The slate grey with the satin PPF over the top looks amazing. With the paint protection film on the vehicle, any sticks, stones, rocks flicking up the side, the paint protection film's going to stop that. And the added feature of running a satin film like this one here, you're going to colour change the whole vehicle, which it looks bloody amazing, let's face it. Slate grey with the satin film. This is the first one that we've seen. We know you're not going to settle for ordinary. That's why we've got the Big Dog Builds accessory rack up on top. That one houses the 50-inch curved Stedi LED light bar on the front with the Stedi 13-inch work lights both left and right. You're going to be able to look for those campsites. It's going to give you plenty of light while off-road. And the Big Dog Builds accessory rack also houses the GME XRS 370 combo pack. This is a UHF, going to give you good range. Simply pop out the 680mm antenna, swap it to the 1.2 metre. If you're going to travel to the most remote parts of Australia, good UHF is also needed. If you want big power, big GVM, big tub space like this one here, guys, check out our website below. If you're ready to get into a build like this one, we are the most awarded American truck workshop in Australia with 500 builds under our belt. Check this video out here. We've got plenty on YouTube. This one here as well is one of my favourites.